Alright, this is the Safely Home Lock. If you want to enter, you press it and you can enter your combo or use your thumb.
Unlocked.
It uses a Bluetooth interface to input all the different users you're going to need. It auto locks after it shuts.
Unlocked.
And it takes your thumbprint a few times. It's pretty accurate like any iPhone. But if you
Operation failed.
use a wrong fingerprint or you don't use it right,
Operation failed. Operation failed. Unlocked.
it has to be just right, but it has to be your thumb. So now I can walk the dog without keys. Let me get back in there.
Unlocked.
Thank you.
Everything is good, but the latch is not working. No matter what I gonna do.
Does not work. I've had this for a year. It hasn't been working for the last 3 months. The only feature that works is the touch.
Unlocked.
But if you have it outside on a back door, the screen will stop working.
Brand new lock just locked me out of my garage. That's on the inside. This is the outside.
Unlocked.
Doesn't work. Does not work.
Door open. Operation failed. Operation failed. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Operation failed. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Unlocked.
No more keys.
Locked.
Door always stays locked.
Very nice.
Unlocked. Locked.